Hello everybody, LucyBunny99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of video games lesson. So how you guys been doing? I'm doing well. Before we get started, there are two things on today's order. Let's start with this one. Remember, did we dare things way everything? Show your support, and then after you sign, take the next step. There are two choices right here. That's what it said. And please reach out other people. You guys are really fan of the light? Please. We need who won this fight. And then the second one, this young lady here, she asking point back Bear's character from the movies and of course of the light as well. Hold on a minute. She's waiting after she interviewed herself, she's waiting every day for the reason she started this. Hold on. Sorry about that. When she explained everything what going on, but I felt sorry for her. She really loved that character she loved the character very much. And for oh wait, hold on. Okay. Where were we? I'm so sorry when my friends texting me and stuff. I sorry about that. So when this young lady explained this, after she explained everything what's going on, she said also that please sign this one. Don't forget to take the next step. Like there are two different choices. Okay, sorry, my friend is. So yeah, please reach out to other people for the support. Please, they will be very, very super happy. Now, back to the video game lesson. Spoiler ahead. Yep, all these video in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please play all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time, everyone. Yeah, there are a lot of upcoming games that coming out soon as well. But it takes a lot of time. And remember, okay. Anyways, I remember keep an eye out on the name of the game and the date when it came out by different game console. And remember to look up on the name of the game console, the list of games, if I go too fast. This is where I left on. Let's get going. And remember, when your if you have friends that keep texting you, don't ignore them. Just tell them like, "Hey, we still doing something?" But remember, see, I can't ignore. Yeah, don't ignore. But remember, you got a friend in need. Friends are always there for you. But however, and good news is we are done with that. Okay, that's where it's telling this. Everyone, we are done with that. So, that also show you this too. Just look it up that you want, okay? So, I'll see you guys in the next video. But remember, go on these two aunties org to sign up for, so you're supporting them in order to win the fight. That's our main goal. We still had a lot of time on until the year 2024. Please out others who the biggest fan of the movie and the why, and of course the character too. So we hold them very carefully. So I see you in the next video. Bye.